guys, I'm back and it is time to do our Mint Mongoose unboxing. So for those of you who aren't aware, Mint Mongoose is a monthly jewelry subscription service where they send you 3 pieces of jewelry. There are different subscription plans and you can also like pay more to add a ring or something. I don't even know. This I believe is June's Mint Mongoose unboxing. Each month you get an envelope with a cute little Mint Mongoose wax emblem on the little envelope. It's one of my favorite things about this, other than of course the jewelry. And then each month also comes with a card that has some sort of illustration or graphic on it. And then on the back, the creator of the jewelry, her name is Helena. She actually delves into the inspiration behind each month's set, and these get really deep and they're one of my favorite things. So let's go ahead and see what she has to say about this month's jewelry. So she says, "Hi there, this month's set is inspired by the beauty and necessity of having a good support system." Excuse me. "So as a young adult, I quickly learned the importance of a strong support system. Going it alone paves a much bleaker path than having people around to walk the journey with. Having quality people to celebrate, laugh, and spend time with is just as important as having quality people there to cry, learn, and grow with. Knowing you aren't alone in the journey does so much for the soul. A support system can be family, friends, and is often a mix of both. It is just as important to be part of someone else's support system as it is to have a strong, balanced support system of your own. The abalone shell main necklace in this set and matching earrings are meant to represent you at your best, brightest, and healthiest, with a team of loved ones around you there for you on the brightest and darkest days." Sorry, the little weird comma, I don't know. Something's off with that sentence. I haven't figured it out yet. Moving on. "Having people to support and who support you is such an important ingredient in being your healthiest and happiest self. The second layer of the necklace is meant to represent the 5 people closest to you, those who are there for you day in and day out, those who encourage you, inspire you, uplift you, and support you. I pray that when you wear this set, it helps you feel your best and brightest and serves as a reminder to invest in and nourish the relationships of those closest around you. Helena," also known as the mama behind the Mongoose. So let's go ahead and open this envelope and look at what the jewelry is this month. So I don't know why. It's something I look forward to every month. Every month comes with a Werther's Original. Not sponsored, I don't know. And then this is what it looks like. It looks like she wrapped everything in just some teal tissue paper, and then bear with me as I unravel this. So when you do sign up for this, you can sign up for different colored metals. I believe there's a silver, gold, and rose gold option. There's also the option of just surprise me. I personally think I can rock any metal, so I usually go for, or what I picked was the surprise me option. So it looks like I think we have 2 necklaces and earrings this month. So let's go ahead and open the first one of these. So here are the earrings this month. And it looks like I might have gotten the rose gold option. I do love these. I love that a lot of the jewelry is like plain and simplistic, yet modern. And I feel like it's really adaptable to any look. So we'll go ahead and try these bad boys on. I didn't plan my outfit around this jewelry, but I feel like these already kind of match the outfit. Cute. So here is one of the necklaces. They usually layer with each other, and then here are the 5 circles that she was talking about to represent your support system. We'll go ahead and try this on. I actually really like this by itself. I feel like this is one of those just like cute little simplistic necklaces. And here is the last necklace. And again, love it. I'm gonna go ahead and try this on, I think. Oh, something else I haven't mentioned is that all the necklaces have adjustable lengths. So I know one of the big beefs I have is that I generally like longer necklaces. I don't like super short necklaces. And so like, whenever I would get a necklace in Nadine West, there was a lot of times of like, I would have liked this if it were like 3 to 6 inches longer, but here I can just change it and it's, you know, NBD, it's included. Anyways, this is what the whole set looks like together. Very cute. I'm always generally pretty happy with whatever I get my mint Mongoose, and I've never been upset so far. I think this is like 4 or 5 months into this subscription service. Anyways, if you made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider doing all the things that support my channel, more likely to make it more likely for, I am like dyslexic today, goodness gracious. Please consider doing all of the things that make YouTube more likely to suggest my video to other people, such as liking and sharing, and subscribing and commenting and turning on the notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay safe out there, my friends.